Hello and welcome to Wise First. Have you ever wished you could delegate some of your tasks to an AI powered assistant? Look no further than Agent GPT. Today, I'll guide you through the process of deploying your own chat agent powered by GPT, which can help you achieve your goals easily. The concept is simple. You provide your goal to one instance of ChatGPT, which creates a plan to achieve it. And then another instance of ChatGPT acts as your agent to complete the plan. It is easier than you think, and I will provide you with a step by step guide that is always up to date. Agent GPT is a simple web interface that allows you to deploy a GPT-powered agent to complete a task for you. To get started, go to platform openai.com and log in with your OpenAI account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile in the top right corner and select View API Keys. Here, you will create a new secret key, give it a name, and copy it. This API key will link your account to your GPT-powered agent. This key links to your account and ensures that everything done with it is built to you. Make sure to keep the secret key secure to prevent unauthorized access. Now, go to the Agent GPT website that allows you to deploy a GPT-powered agent and paste your API key into the key field in the settings section. Choose the GPT model you want to use and save your settings. Select the GPT 3.5 Turbo model. This model is cheap and ideal for experimentation. Next, name your agent and set a goal for it to achieve, such as write me a research paper on the importance of hydrogen fuel cells and click Deploy Agent. Your GPT-powered agent will then come up with a plan to achieve your goal and complete the necessary tasks to achieve it, such as retrieving academic resources and analyzing the data. Once your agent has completed the tasks, the agent will start writing the research paper section by section. Simply click Copy on the top right to save the results to a new document. While using Agent GPT isn't completely free, it is worth noting that using your API key incurs a cost, but OpenAI provides credits to get started. And depending on your usage, the cost can be as low as 5 to 10 cents for 25 messages with the GPT 3.5 Turbo model. For more information, check out the provided links. While the browser version of the interface is user-friendly, autonomous agents can offer even more sophistication. So, if you're looking for an AI-powered assistant to help you complete a task, look no further than Agent GPT. Try Agent GPT today and see how it can help you achieve your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.